Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Let's start with today's session. Is ISO 27701-2019 still relevant after the 2025 update? This question naturally comes up whenever a standard is revised. Many people assume that once a new version is released, the older one becomes useless. In reality, standards evolve slowly and build on existing foundations. They are not replaced overnight. In this session, we will understand what ISO 27701-2019 was meant to achieve, why an update was needed, what changed in 2025, and most importantly, whether organizations using the 2019 version are still on the right track. By the end of this lecture, you will clearly know how ISO 27701-2019 fits into the post-2025 privacy landscape. Now, what ISO 27701-2019 was designed for? ISO 27701-2019 was created as an extension to ISO 27001 and ISO 27002. While ISO 27001 focused on protecting information, ISO 27701 focused on protecting personal data. It introduced the concept of a privacy information management system, helping organizations manage privacy in a structured and auditable way. At the time, many organizations were struggling to understand privacy laws such as GDPR. ISO 27701-2019 translated legal language into practical processes. It helped organizations identify personal data, define responsibilities, manage third parties, document controls, and demonstrate accountability. Now, limitations that appeared over time. As technology evolved, some limitations of the 2019 version became visible. Privacy risk became more dynamic, but many organizations treated ISO 27701 as a static checklist. Assessments are made once and rarely reviewed. New technologies like artificial intelligence, automated decision-making, biometrics, and large-scale data analytics created risks that were not clearly addressed in the original structure. This did not make ISO 27701-2019 wrong, but it showed that the privacy environment had matured and needed a stronger guidance. Now, why the 2025 update was necessary? The 2025 update was introduced because privacy expectations changed. Regulators began demanding real accountability, not just documentation. Privacy was no longer seen only as a legal requirement, but as a governance and trust issue. Organizations were expected to assess risk continuously, involve leadership, and integrate privacy into everyday operations. The update aimed to strengthen these areas while keeping the core structure intact. Now, what changed after 2025? The 2025 update did not remove the foundation of ISO 27701-2019. Key principles like lawful processing, accountability, documentation, and third-party management remained the same. What changed was the emphasis. More focus was placed on continuous risk assessment, privacy by design, leadership involvement, and measurable outcomes. The standard shifted from prove you have documents to prove your system actually works. Now, is ISO 27701-2019 still relevant today? The clear answer for this is yes. ISO 27701-2019 is still relevant because the fundamentals of privacy governance do not disappear. Organizations using the 2019 version already have policies, procedures, risk registers, and controls in place. The 2025 update does not cancel previous efforts. Instead, it builds on them. Organizations are not expected to start from zero, but to improve and mature their existing systems. Now, what this means for organizations? For organizations already certified or aligned with ISO 27701 2019, the focus should be on gap analysis, not replacement. They need to check how well their privacy system adapts to change, how often risks are reviewed, and how involved top management is. For organizations planning to implement ISO 27701 now, understanding the 2019 structure is still important because it forms the backbone of the updated approach. Still valid but must evolve. To conclude this session, we can say that ISO 27701 2019 is still valid and relevant after the 2025 update. It remains a strong foundation for privacy management. However, organizations cannot stop at the 2019 mindset. Those who build on this foundation, align with newer expectations, and continuously improve their privacy systems will be future ready. ISO 27701 is not about versions, it is about responsibility. Please like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative content. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Thanks for watching.